That is a whole lot of dry rot. And instead of just picking it piece by piece and all that good stuff, all of the wood that you showed in the video on the interior, that should come out. That should be cut out. That should be replaced with brand new plywood. And you're looking at 2x2s for the framing to hold it in place. And then of course your plywood cut into that pattern. What I would do is I would cut out that cab over pattern and then use it as an outline to cut out your new one. So it's like literally the same shape. So stop picking it like a scab. And the main issue, the one issue that you were talking about, is the beam that runs from behind the driver's seat all the way to the front of the cab over. Unfortunately, the only way to get to that beam and to replace it is to come in from the exterior. And so on the outside, on the exterior, you're gonna see the seam or a trim. If you take that trim off, it's gonna be held into place with some screws and butyl tape. So once you take that trim, that connecting trim off that piece, you're going to be able to lift up the side panel on the exterior and also the bottom panel on the exterior. That's the only way to get to that side beam. And then of course you're going to discover a lot more water damage and dry rot from the exterior, and then you're just going to keep going and going and picking and picking and picking. But the quickest answer is the only way to get to that beam is to come in from the exterior. And it sounds like a lot of work, but it's actually a lot less work than trying to dig out your entire like cab over subfloor from the inside. So probably go in through the exterior to replace that. But all of the stuff that I saw in your video definitely needs to be replaced. Good luck.